Welcome to Shenzhen, the dynamic city where innovation, culture, and nature come together. In this video, we're uncovering the 9 best things to do in Shenzhen, China, from futuristic skylines and high-tech hubs to serene parks and vibrant markets. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a foodie, or an explorer, Shenzhen offers endless adventures. Let's jump in and explore this modern metropolis. Number 9. Explore Window of the World. Shenzhen's top attraction has to be Window of the World, a unique 120-acre theme park showcasing around 130 replicas of famous landmarks from across the globe. And these aren't just tiny models. Some are as large as 2/3 the size of the originals. The park's focus is on Europe, featuring stunning recreations of iconic landmarks like London's Houses of Parliament, Paris's Eiffel Tower, and Rome's Colosseum. But it doesn't stop there. You'll also find themed streets, delicious international food, lively dance shows, and even an impressive laser and light show at night. With its fun, amusement park vibe, Window of the World is the perfect spot to keep the whole family entertained all day long. Number 8. Have drinks and dinner at SeaWorld. Shenzhen's SeaWorld isn't the marine park you might imagine. It's a vibrant entertainment hub that's all about nightlife and international vibes. At the heart of it all is a real ship surrounded by water, giving this spot its fitting name. By night, the area comes alive with dazzling musical fountains and a variety of cuisines from around the globe. Whether you're craving Chinese, Korean, Indian, Mexican, or a classic American steak, SeaWorld has you covered. After a great meal and some drinks, take a relaxing stroll down to the docks for stunning nighttime views of Shekou Harbor. It's the perfect way to wind down your evening in Shenzhen. Number 7. Shop on the cheap at Dongmen Old Street. If you're looking for a true taste of traditional Chinese shopping, Dongmen Old Street is the place to be. This lively hub in Shenzhen spans several blocks, packed with malls, market stalls, winding side streets, and bustling plazas. Vendors sell just about everything: shirts, shoes, handbags, accessories, street food, and even everyday essentials like underwear. The energy here is electric, with merchants calling out deals and tempting shoppers at every turn. Don't forget to sharpen your bargaining skills at the market stalls and keep an eye out for great discounts in the malls. With its vibrant street life, colorful displays, and irresistible food aromas, Dongmen Old Street isn't just a shopping trip, it's an unforgettable cultural experience. Number 6. Futian Central Business District, the beating economic heart of Shenzhen. This vibrant district is a true testament to the city's rapid transformation, with stunning modern architecture at every turn. Here, you'll find the impressive new city government building, along with a massive library, a cutting-edge concert hall, and the Youth Palace, each adding to the district's cultural and civic importance. Futian CBD really captures Shenzhen's bold, futuristic vibe, a city that began to thrive after the 90s. But the real showstopper here is the Ping An Finance Center, still under construction but set to become one of the tallest buildings in the world once completed. With its sleek skyline and powerful presence, Futian CBD is the city's economic and architectural powerhouse. Number 5. Damisha and Xiangmei beaches. Just to the east of Shenzhen, you'll find a breathtaking 19-kilometer stretch of coastline that perfectly blends natural beauty with modern amenities. Damisha Beach is the highlight here, famous for its golden sands and surrounded by stunning reefs, islands, caves, and dramatic cliffsides. A true paradise for nature lovers. The area is packed with amenities, from a sleek marina offering boat rentals and incredible views to traditional seafood restaurants where you can enjoy fresh, live fish straight from the tanks. And the best part? The beach is free to visit, though it can get a bit crowded, especially on public holidays. If you're looking for something quieter, head a little further along the coast to Xiangmei Beach, where you can enjoy a peaceful, relaxing atmosphere away from the crowds. Number 4. Dive into the technology treasure trove that is Huaqiang Bay Street. If you're on the hunt for a virtual reality headset at an unbeatable price, or maybe you're thinking of picking up a 3D printer, This is the place to be. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a maker who loves innovation, or just someone looking for that elusive charging cable, this district has it all. As you walk through the bustling streets, you'll feel the pulse of Shenzhen's cutting-edge tech scene. This district perfectly captures the city's evolution from an electronics manufacturing hub to a global leader in technology. The energy here is contagious, with shops selling everything from gadgets to prototypes, showing just how Shenzhen is shaping the future of tech. Whether you're shopping or just exploring, it's an experience you won't want to miss. Number 3. Splendid China Folk Park. Splendid China Folk Park is one of Shenzhen's top attractions, offering an immersive journey through China's rich culture and history. The park is divided into 2 main sections: the Splendid China Miniature Park and the China Folk Culture Village. In the Miniature Park, you'll find 82 incredible replicas of China's most famous landmarks, like the Great Wall and the Forbidden City, letting you experience these iconic sites in miniature form. On the other side, the China Folk Culture Village brings to life 27 different ethnic villages, each showcasing the unique traditions, architecture, and lifestyles of China's diverse ethnic groups. With vibrant performances, traditional crafts, and authentic food, it's a true cultural paradise. Whether you're a history lover or just curious about China's rich diversity, Splendid China Folk Park offers an unforgettable experience for everyone. Number 2. Amble through Lianhua Park. Right in the heart of Shenzhen, Lianhua Park offers a refreshing escape from the city's fast-paced energy. Spanning 370 acres, this green oasis is a peaceful retreat surrounded by towering skyscrapers. At its center is a 350-foot hill topped with a striking bronze statue of Deng Xiaoping, honoring the influential Chinese leader. Make your way to the top for breathtaking panoramic views of Shenzhen's modern skyline. A must-see for photographers and nature lovers alike. Families love the park for its wide-open spaces, perfect for picnics, kite flying, or just soaking up the peaceful vibes. Don't miss the large scenic lake, where you can rent paddle boats and enjoy a relaxing ride. Lianhua Park truly is the perfect blend of nature and city life. Number 1. Watch art in action at Daen Oil Painting Village. Did you know that many of the world's famous oil painting replicas come from one place? Welcome to Daen, Shenzhen's iconic artist village, which rose to fame in the 1980s as a global hub for art. At its peak, Daen was responsible for over 60% of the world's oil painting replicas. But don't picture a quiet artist's retreat. This is art on a massive scale, with over 5,000 artists working in what can feel like factory-like conditions. Paintings are created assembly line style. Incredibly, you can commission a replica of a Rembrandt or Monet for as little as $40, with some artists completing them in just a few hours. Even if you're not looking to buy, wandering through Daen streets, surrounded by endless recreations of the world's greatest masterpieces, is an unforgettable experience. It's art, culture, and industry all rolled into one.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. Your support means a lot and helps me keep making great videos for you.